Hello and welcome to Deck Builders St. Louis, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are looking at common deck design mistakes that can shorten the life of your outdoor space. Many of these problems are avoidable if you know what to watch for before the build starts. First, let us talk about structure. Undersized beams or poorly spaced footings can lead to bounce, sagging, and stress on the frame. When the structure is pushed beyond its limits, fasteners and connections start to move, and boards loosen sooner than they should. In our St. Louis climate, where decks see both heavy rain and temperature swings, a strong structural base is non-negotiable. Next is water management. Decks that trap water tend to fail early. Joists that run into solid walls without proper flashing, surfaces that do not shed water, or designs that create pockets where debris collects all increase the risk of rot. Proper spacing between boards, thoughtful joist layout, and clear drainage paths help keep the structure drier and longer lasting. Connections to the house are another major area where mistakes happen. The ledger board must be properly sized, anchored, and flashed. When this detail is rushed or skipped, water can find its way behind siding and into the structure. That damage might not show up right away, but over time it can become serious and expensive to fix. Careful detailing at doors, thresholds, and siding transitions is essential. We also see problems with layout. Tight corners, narrow walkways, and awkward stair locations can lead to heavy wear in small areas and make the deck harder to use. Overly complicated shapes with lots of small cutouts can weaken deck boards and create spots where water and debris collect. Clean lines and clear traffic paths usually perform better and feel better to live with day to day. Material and hardware choices round out the list. Using fasteners that are not rated for outdoor use or that do not match the decking material can lead to staining or premature failure. Composite decking, such as products from TimberTech, is built for durability, but only when installed with the correct fasteners, spacing, and framing support. Ignoring manufacturer guidelines or mixing incompatible pieces can shorten the life of an otherwise strong material. At Tough Deck Builders St. Louis, we design decks to avoid these mistakes from the start. You can reach our team at 314-309-3595 or visit toughdeckbuildersstlouis.com if you want a second opinion on a design or help planning a new deck the right way. A careful design phase is one of the best investments you can make. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders St. Louis. When you plan your next deck, remember that smart design choices and solid details are what keep an outdoor space strong and safe for years to come. We will be back soon with more practical tips to help you build outdoor projects that are built solid, built right, and built to last.